So that's from my nan.
Decided to bring a piano with her.
That's so true.
Do you know what I mean?
It's so nice!
Hello.
Are you okay? Thank you. It's lush, isn't it? Thank you.
Hiya! So this is the set for camp. I'm good, how are you? Is it okay?
I fell asleep in the car and I fell asleep on my claw clip because I took it out in the car and I had this dent in my forehead.
Now you know it was a good sleep when
Yeah.
that happened.
Hello!
How are you?
Nice job,
Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's really nice.
You guys okay?
Good, yeah. Are you okay?
Yeah, all good. It's been a long time. Yeah, I nearly snuck in. I was going to go around the back of us. I'm joking. Morning, guys. You alright?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. He's alright?
Yeah, you okay?
Yeah, good. Pleasant to be back. So that's from my nan.
Shaun the Sheep is still there.
I've got my little IKEA bag for my headphones, and then I've got magic wand from Saf as well. Because they don't have the magic of me, do you know what I mean?
Well,
And Shaun the
that's
Sheep.
it.
And Shaun the Sheep.
Shaun the Sheep's been there
Euros
since
badge.
forever, haven't
That's
it?
also from my nan. Yeah, got everything.
She's,
I'm always ready.
Hello.
Okay.
Yeah, you right?
Yeah, good, thanks. Good morning.
Good morning, Bo. Good. How are you?
I got it for Valentine's Day. Because I don't want flowers.
my flowers anytime.
Because flowers die after a week.
Exactly.
That's so true. And
Do you know what I mean? I said I don't.
They look like.
Hey, you right?
Nice sunnies as well. Little detail. Did you guys come last night? Yeah. Yeah,
Breakfast was lovely, so
13
good
days
start
to
to
go.
the day.
Hi.
Hi. What a doll.
Morita.
She decided to bring a piano with her.
Always a ton. Thank you. Am I the last one? No.
Yeah,
One of. Oh,
You might actually be the last. I can't remember.
that's a lot. Has Liv Francis got in?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
by 14.
Yeah.
40?
Yeah.
40 out.
Yeah. I think you're last but one.
Am I?
Yeah.